Good morning, student. Today we will learn about typing tutor. Typing tutor is a free and open source software for enhancing your typing skill on computer. Today we will discuss the interface of typing tutor. Means we will discuss about the tools that are available in typing tutor. The topics that we will discuss: 3 horizontal button, 3 vertical button, text panel, lesson control panel and keyboard. We will move to the typing tutor software, where I will give you the introductions about the tools of typing tutor. So this is our typing tutor first screen, where you can see a number of buttons and interface in it. The very first thing, this is called as a task pan, where we can find out the 3 vertical button, where first button is used for make the changes and appearance of your typing tutor. How we can use? By using this first button, we can change the appearance of our keyboard, we can change the appearance of our background, font, sound, we can apply new theme, we can use shortcut key, we can change the language of our software, we can take help from it. There are 2 more button, 3 more button here. One button is for lesson control plan, where we can see the current lesson. Second button is for student statics, that will show the result of individual student of their typing. The third button is for lesson editor, which used to edit the lesson. After that we have lesson control pen. From here we can change the lesson control. Now we have text pen, where we can see the text that we are typing currently, and after that we have task pan, from where we can control our voice. At the last or bottom we have a virtual keyboard. You can see the keyboard are in different colors key. In this software we have to learn about color coding, which finger is used to type which key. Now we start with the first option. From here we can change the keyboard layout. The very first option, keyboard layout, is used to change the keyboard layout. From here you can change the keyboard layout. Very first is that. If you want to change any other type of keyboard layout, then select from here very first like this and OK. Again, if you want to reset it, then click on reset, click on OK. Second, background color. If you want to change the background color, from here you can change the background color. आप यहाँ से background का color change कर सकते हैं. Click on OK and this will change your background color. Now third thing is that font. From font option you can change the font of typing text. From here you can change the style of your font. Again click here, click on font and click on restore. This will restore your font on previous setting. This is for sound. If you want to make change in any kind of sound in your typing tutor, then from here you can change the sound of your typing tutor key. This is for themes, and this will use to change the appearance of your software like this. The next option is for shortcut keys. If you are using any shortcut key in that, then you can make changes in shortcut key also from here. You can assign, you can add, or you can remove new shortcut key. This is for program language. If you want to set the program language by other language, then from here you can change the program language. For example, I change the language from English to Hindi. In this manner you can change the program language from one language to another language. Now there are 3 buttons. Very first button is that this will show you the current lesson. जो अभी current में lesson चल रहा वो दिखाएगा. The second lesson button is used for show you the statics of your result. मीन आपने टाइपिंग की थी So this will show you the current and previous lesson typing status. This will show you the result in different aspect and manners. That will show you the speed per minute, accuracy, word per minute, errors, जितनी भी errors आपने generate किए, that will show you that. And also that will show you the result for earlier lesson also. आपने पहले जितने lesson किए थे उसके लिए भी आपको यहाँ पे statics show करेगा. Now from here you can create new user. This software is used on the basis of user, so you can use or create new user from here. Now last button on the top left side is for edit the lesson. We can edit our lesson or add new lesson from this button. If you want to add new lesson, just click on main lesson and click here and create new lesson. By using this you can create new lesson like that. In this manner we can create new lesson. Just give the name of your lesson by using rename. You can also change the old lesson, means you can make editing in your old lesson. For example, this is our previous lesson. I want to make change in that. Just select that lesson and make changes in that like this. Now these are the three buttons. Very first is for the current lesson, second is for what? See the statics, and third one is for what? Editing your lesson. In current lesson or current lesson pane we can see three buttons that show the lesson available in your typing tutor. There are groups where we can see introduction, beginner, experienced, advanced and testing. In the introduction we can see the introduction level lessons, the basics with the shift key, digit key and numerical key. With the basics we can go for the basic lesson like this. For using typing tutor, first you have to fix your finger position on the home key. So this is our keyboard where two hands shown, and that show your finger key location where the small finger is on the A, S, D, F and other right hand key finger on the J, K, L or semicolon. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss more about this typing tutor.